Do you want to crank out more pull-ups and build serious endurance? You're in the right place. Today, I will share with you the best strategies and exercises to help you boost your pull-ups and stamina in no time. Stay tuned. First things first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I'm a fitness coach. My channel is here to help you level up your fitness that fits into real life. No fluff, man. Just solid tips and strategies that work. So whether you're training for your next big event, like a high rock, Spartan race, local CrossFit competition, or just to stay fit and healthy in your 60s and 70s, 80s and 90s, you will find something here to push you further. So if that interests you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's grow this family. All right, we all trying to get smarter, stronger, better, healthier together. Now let's continue with the video. As I said in the beginning, if you're looking to increase your pull-up endurance, you've come to the right spot. I will go through some top exercises and tips to help you improve your pull-up endurance in no time. So many people can do some pull-ups, but they have problems with endurance. Some of these common problems include muscle fatigue, poor technique, and not enough variety in training. Let's tackle some of these issues with some effective strategies proven by science. So check your boy out. Here's how to build pull-up endurance step by step. First thing you need to do is high volume training. High volume training is performing multiple sets of pull-ups with moderate reps, aiming for a total volume over time. Why? Because this helps build muscle endurance by getting your body used to repeated efforts. A cue I like to think of it is like running laps. More practice means more endurance. In order to get better at the movement, you need to constantly do the movement. Another way you can increase your endurance is pull-up variations. Pull-up variations is the fun part, believe it or not. All what you have to do is just have fun with it. You know what I'm saying? You could go wide grip, chin grip, close grip, neutral grip, etc., etc. Why? Because variation works different muscles and prevents plateaus. So all what you have to do is mix it up like a playlist. Different tracks keep things interesting and effective. And you will have to come doing the same blah 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 routine. Next is isometric holds. All you have to do is hold the top of the position of the pull-up. Why? Because this improves strength and endurance by working your muscles to hold a contraction. And one of the last but not least effective way you can increase your pull-ups is called grease the groove. You probably heard this term before. All it is do more pull-ups throughout the day, but fewer in reps each time. You're not trying to go to muscle failure. All right, why? Because this method increases endurance by improving your pull-up technique and stamina without overtraining. So the best way to cue up this technique is to think of it like brushing your teeth. Short and regular practice makes a big difference. And here's the key. The secret to improving pull-up endurance is consistency and variety. Incorporate high volume training, mix up your variations, use isometric holds, and grease the groove techniques for best results. Hey man, I don't care what program you follow, I don't care what fitness influencer you see, if you are not staying consistent with your pull-ups, you will not get to your goals. I promise you that. So to sum it up, focus on high volume, add pull-up variations, use isometric holds, and practice frequently. These strategies will help you build the endurance you need to crush your pull-up goals. Good luck. And if you made it to the end of this video, all I want to say is thank you from the bottom of my heart. Seriously. All right. I hope that you found something in this video that gets you fired up for your next workout. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. So just keep showing up. Just keep pushing. Just grinding. Put your head down, put one foot in front of the other, and keep moving forward. And the best part is I'll be here to help you every step of the way. Catch you in the next one.